Good morning, everyone. I'm jhay Gondraneos from OLBN 211E005, and I will share to all of you my video presentation about Python function. Okay, here's the objective. Determine the defining and using of function, the rotational purpose, conventions, and traps. Differentiate the concept of passing arguments in different ways and setting their default values, along with the mechanism of returning the function results. Lesson 1. So, what is the function? A function is a Python is a block of code that performs a specific task. If it's defined using the def keyword, followed by the function name and parentheses. The parentheses may include parameters, which are variables that are passed to the function as input when it's called. The function body is intended and contains the code that performs the task. A function can return a value using the return keyword. So why do we need function? Come across function many times so far, but the view on their merits that we have given you has been rather one-sided. You only You only invoke the function by using them as tools to make life easier and to simplify time-consuming and tedious tasks. When you want some data to be printed on the console you use print. When you want to read the value of a variable, you use input, coupled with int or float. Where do functions come from? In general, function come from at least three places, which is the Python, modules, and code. So what is Python? Python itself, numerous functions like print are an integral part of Python and are always available without any additional effort on behalf of the programmer. We call this function built-in function. From Python pre-installed modules, a lot of functions very useful ones, but used significantly less often than built-in ones are variable in a number of modules installed together with Python. The use of this function requires some additional step from the programmers in order to make them fully accessible. So what is code? Directly from your code, you can write your own function, place them inside your code, and use them freely. So the concept of passing argument in different ways and setting their default values along with the mechanism of returning their function to result. In programming, functions are used to perform specific tasks. They can accept input data, process it, and return the input. When calling a function, we can pass arguments to it in different ways. The most common ways of passing arguments are passed by value and passed by reference. In passed by value, the value of the argument is copied into the function parameter. Any changes made to the parameter inside the function do not affect the original argument. This method is also called call by value. So, move on to lesson 2. How functions communicate with their environment. What is parameterized function? The function full power reveals itself when it can be equipped with an interface that is able to accept data provided by the invoker. Such data can modify the function's behavior, making it more flexible and adaptable to changing conditions. Functions are an essential part of programming, and they can communicate with their environment in various ways. Function can receive input from the environment, perform some operation on it, and then return the output to the environment. They can also modify the environment by changing the values of variables of calling other functions. So what is parameter and their functions? Uh, in programming, a parameter is a special kind of variable used in a function to refer to one of the pieces of the data provided as input the function. These pieces of data are the values of the arguments with which the function is going to be called invoked. For example is, consider the following function pseudocode. Function calculated Celsius, real Fahrenheit, declared real Celsius, assigned Celsius equals to Fahrenheit 32,5/9. Return read Celsius. In this function, Fahrenheit is a parameter and the value passed to the function what is called is an argument. The terms parameter and argument are often used in interchangeability. However, parameter refers to the variable identifier, while argument refers to the variable value ng. What is positional parameter passing? A technique which assigns the ith argument to the ith, first, second, and so on. Function parameter is called positional parameter passing, while argument passed in the way are named positional argument. Notes: positional parameter passing is intuitively used by people in many social occasions. For example, it may be generally accepted that when we introduce ourselves, we mention our first names and before our last names. And that's all. Thank you.